to Masterminds. It is Vela and Roma battling it out today. Vela in the lead, 60-30. Let's take a moment and meet the teacher coordinators from the two schools. We'll start with Roma. Wilfredo, you're up, buddy.
Okay, coordinator is Mr. Barry Null.
Glad to have you here. Thank you for being part of the program. We appreciate it, sir. And Vela, Andrew.
This is our coordinator, Mr. Luis Casca.
Glad you're here. Thank you for being part of the program. Our teacher coordinators helping the students get ready. Give them a round of applause. They work hard to get the students ready to go before these games start and their work shows. All right, next up, students, we have quick picks, and for this, we're going to show you pictures on the TV screens. We'll ask you questions about them. Everybody's playing, though, so you do need your buzzers, okay? Yeah, you will use your buzzers. Here we go. He was one of the first real movie stars in history. Who was he? That's Roma Jose.
Charlie Chaplin.
That's correct. Name this city, home of Al Capone and Mrs. O'Leary's cow. Roma Wilfredo.
Chicago.
That's right. What president is on the face of this dollar coin? That's Roma Jose.
Dwight Eisenhower.
Correct. This is the flag that flies in one of the countries President Obama visited. Which country? That's Roma Wilfredo.
India.
That's right. He was the president of the North during the Vietnam War in the 60s. Who was he? That's Roma Wilfredo.
Ho Chi Minh.
That's correct. This is a llama. It is most similar to an animal usually found in the Middle East. What animal would that be? That's Roma Wilfredo.
Camel.
That's right. This city is home of the rock band Nirvana. Name the city. That's Robert Vela Zachary.
Seattle.
That's right. You may not recognize him, but this is actually one of the most famous generals for the Union in the Civil War. Who was this general? That's Roma Wilfredo.
Ulysses S. Grant.
No. Vela, anybody? And time is up. William Tecumseh Sherman. That was Sherman. The Suvorov Museum is located in a Russian city that shares its name with a city in Florida. Name the city. That's Vela Zachary.
St. Petersburg.
That's correct. Name this bushy-faced animal. Roma Jose.
Walrus.
That is the walrus, and that wraps up our quick picks for today.
Masterminds is supported in part by Harlingen Consolidated Independent School District.
We're making a surge during the quick picks in the lead, 100-80 over Vela. So Vela, you get to go first in the grab bag round. Dr. Rivetta has 3 envelopes which to choose. You can choose any one you want, 1, 2, or 3.
3.
Number 3 it is. All right. Remember, you've got 60 seconds to answer the 10 questions in here. If you don't know one of the questions or don't know one of the answers, you can pass. If there's time within the 60 seconds, we'll come back. The category you've chosen is Harry Potter. I like to watch the reaction, you know, see what they do. Harry Potter. All right. If I can pronounce them, we'll do well. All right, here we go. 60 seconds. Someone born into a wizarding family who has no magical powers is called a what? Just say it.
Oh, Mudblood.
No.
No.
What do Hermione Granger's parents do for a living?
Dentist?
Yes. In Sorcerer's Stone, what was the first password for Gryffindor's house?
Pass.
Name Voldemort's serpent.
Nagini.
Yes. How long was Sirius Black imprisoned in Azkaban?
25 years?
No. In Chamber of Secrets, what potion do Harry, Ron, and Hermione take while trying to get into the Slytherin?
Pass.
What's the name of the girl Harry has a crush on in Goblet of Fire?
Cho Chang.
Yes. In Order of the Phoenix, Harry and his girlfriend share their first kiss under the mistletoe in the room of what?
Requirement.
Yes. In Half-Blood Prince, what's the 2-word term for the liquid luck potion given to Harry Potter?
Pass.
Time is up. All right. Not bad. How'd we do? 4 correct, enough to put you in a tie at 100 points apiece. Let's go over the ones we didn't get. A lot of words I never thought I'd say on Masterminds. Here we go. Someone born into a wizarding family who has no magical powers is a squib. In Sorcerer's Stone, the first password for Gryffindor's house was Caput Draconis. How long was Sirius Black imprisoned at Azkaban was 12 years. In Chamber of Secrets, the potion was Polyjuice. In Half-Blood Prince, the 2-word term for liquid luck potion given to Harry Potter was Felix Felicis, was what that was. All right, ties the game at 100 points. Now, Roma, there are 2 envelopes remaining. They are envelopes numbers 1 and 2. You can choose either one you'd like.
With 1.
Number 1 it is. Same rules apply. 60 seconds, 10 questions. If you don't know one, pass, okay? Let's see what category you've chosen. Physical science. Okay, it's not Harry Potter, right? Physical science. 60 seconds, here we go. If you burn a diamond in the presence of oxygen, it will form which gas?
Carbon dioxide?
Yes. Minerals consisting of silicon, one or more metals, and oxygen are called what?
Silicates?
Yes. By what process do water droplets merge into a single larger drop?
Cohesion.
No. To what molecule does good up high and bad nearby refer?
Pass.
An alnico-magnet is an alloy having which three elements as its main ingredients?
Pass.
The shape of the shadow cast by the moon is most similar to the shape of what geometric solid?
Circle.
No. What phase of the moon brings a neap tide?
Pass.
It sits at the top of 1b on the periodic table and is often considered the first metal used by humans.
Pass.
This 8-letter particle, named for its lack of, doesn't matter. Time is up. We got 2 correct, puts you up to 110 points. You're back in the lead. Let's go over the ones we didn't get. The process by which 2 water droplets merge into a single larger drop is coalescence. What molecule that does good up high and bad nearby refer is ozone. An alnico-magnet is aluminum, nickel, and cobalt. The shape of the shadow cast by the moon is a cone. The phase of the moon that brings a neap tide is a half moon, and it sits atop of 1b on the periodic table is copper. Okay, puts you up to 110 points. Now there is 1 envelope remaining, which no one chose, number 2. So let's see how we do on this. Everybody plays on this one, okay, so you need your buzzers. We still have 60 seconds. Category nobody chose is spheres. Each answer is a word that ends in sphere. Okay, hands on your buzzers. Here we go. The mass of air surrounding the Earth. Vela, Andrew.
Atmosphere.
Yes. A half of the Earth. Vela, Zachary.
Hemisphere.
Yes. A manned spherical chamber for deep sea observation. Time is up. Bathysphere. The lowest atmospheric layer. That's Vela, Zachary.
Troposphere.
Yes. The regions of the Earth and air of Earth where living organisms exist. That's Vela, Andrew.
Biosphere.
Yes. The solid part of the Earth consisting of the crust and outer mantle. Vela, Zachary.
Lithosphere.
Yes. The atmospheric layer between the troposphere and the mesosphere. Roma, Joe.
Stratosphere.
Yes. The watery layer of Earth's surface, including water vapor. Vela, Zachary.
Hydrosphere.
Yes. The outermost atmospheric layer. That's Vela, Zachary.
Exosphere.
Yes. The layer of the atmosphere where the space shuttle orbits. That time is up. Thermosphere. Thermosphere. Well done. That was a good round. So our score at the end of the grab bag is Vela 170, Roma 120. We're going to take a break. We come back. It's going to be time for art and music. Each question worth 20 points. It can be a game changer. Don't miss it. We'll be right back.